YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you. This etude is written in a staccato context, but you can try it as a legato like this. So on and so forth, like 2-slurred. Also, the book suggests to do 4-slurred, so I would try that as well, like so. Find that actually to be really helpful when learning the double stops, but you should definitely start with separate bow strokes, just as it's written as an original version of this etude, because it gives you just a little bit of time to prepare for the next interval and think, but also separate them, and that's a little easier for beginners to get introduced into the world of double stops on violin, especially in the key of F major, not the easiest. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my little videos, and I hope to see you in the next video as well. And I wish to invite you to my Patreon site, where you can provide meaningful support for living musicians such as myself. So if you're enjoying the content I'm providing on YouTube for free, consider subscribing to my Patreon and making a difference for me. Thank you very much.